Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create your own stunning landing page using Wix. So let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to create an account on Wix. If you don't have one already, simply sign up using your email. Once you are done creating your account and logged in, you'll see a page that looks like this. So head over to my site section and click the drop down, and let's go to all site to see some details. So as you can see here, there is a button that says create a new site. So click on that button. This will open a new tab where you'll choose if you want to set up your project with AI. So I will go with set up without AI option. So next you will have some questions to enter a landing page. However, for this tutorial we will skip that step. So here we can add a name for our site, but let's skip that for now too. We will also bypass a couple of questions and head straight to the Wix template editor. Now you may notice that there is another option that says get a custom built site, but personally I prefer using the template editor for more customization, so click on begin with a template to proceed. Next, we will move on to the template gallery, where you will find a variety of templates to choose from. In the template gallery, you can head over search section and search for landing templates. Take a look at the different options available and select the one that suits your needs. If you find a template that fits your theme, feel free to explore it and use it. Alternatively, you can also have the option to create your own landing page. So a landing page is essentially a one-page website that doesn't have any navigation panels or additional pages. It focuses on providing the necessary information or promoting a specific product or offer. Landing pages are versatile and can be used for various purposes. For example, you can create landing page to promote affiliate products where you highlight their feature and benefits, and so on. Remember, the key is to keep the landing page concise, visually appealing, and focused on the main objective, whether it's promoting a product or showcasing a brand or capturing leads. Next, let's click on a blank template to start from scratch and create our unique landing page. We will begin with a blank canvas where we can let our creativity flow. For this example, let's create a landing page for a cosmetics store, let's say. As you can see, the canvas is currently empty. On the left side, you will find the page section, and on the right side, you'll see navigation panel where you can edit and add various elements to your website. To start, click on the Add button and select text. Then choose a suitable heading style. Let's choose heading number 2. Now let's add the name of our website. So in our case, let's say cosmetics simply. And so we can adjust the size and the formatting of our text as our liking. Once you are done, drag the text element to the top header area. This will serve as a basic website name. So to further enhance the header, click on the section over here, and when the edit text option pops up, click on that. This will allow us to customize the appearance of the header. And in addition, when you click the header section like this, we get change header design option. And we click on that, and you'll find various types of headers with different styles and colors and opacity settings. Now let's move on to changing the background of the page. So when you click on anywhere on the body part of the page, you'll see change background page option, and click on that. So from there, select the image option. Wix provides a collection of free images that you can use, or you can upload. Since I am planning to make a cosmetic store, let's search cosmetics. So here are plenty of options. Let me just pick this one for now. So after setting the background image, it's time to add a strip to the page. So click on add, or the plus icon you see over here, and select strip from the options. Resize the strip as desired. So to customize the background of the strip, click on Change Strip Background. Click on Settings and let's reduce the opacity a little bit. After setting up the header and the background, let's continue by adding content to our landing page. To do this, click on Add and navigate to the text section. So here in the title section, we can pick caps title, for example. So here we can include sections such as our products or anything that provides insights to our brands or business. Feel free to add more text and image to illustrate your brand's history. You can create different sections as needed. For example, I will add another section here. So below that, let's click on Add and then select Gallery. So there are different options as you can see here. Let's scroll down and pick this one. So now we can resize it as desired. Now you can add images from your own gallery. So to do this, click on it and select Change Image and delete the existing image by clicking the delete icon here. The other is you can drag and drop your own image to showcase the actual store products or any relevant visuals. Or you can say add image and upload your media here. So by following these steps, you can create engaging sections like this on your landing page, enhancing the overall visual appealing and provide valuable insights to your visitors. Now let's add some image to the gallery. While I'll be using free image for a demonstrations purpose, you should add your own image to make it more personalized. So to add image, click on the gallery and select add media or add image here. Choose the image you'd like to include and click done. You can add as many images as you want to the gallery to showcase your products, brand, or any relevant visuals. So if you are running an affiliate marketing campaign, you can also incorporate affiliate links into your landing page. To do this, click on Add and select Button. This will allow you to add simple button box. So as you can see here, there are buttons with different style. Let me pick the one that says shop here. I can customize the button by clicking on change text and icon. So here I can label the button as I want, like buy now or any other appropriate call to action related to the product or service you are promoting. Next, click on add link and input a page or the affiliate URL. This will direct visitors to affiliate page where they can make purchases. It's important to know that while this example isn't specifically an affiliate website, landing pages often serve as effective platforms for affiliate marketing. So by following these steps, you can create a visually appealing gallery with images that represent your brand or products. Additionally, you can incorporate buttons with affiliate links to promote and sell affiliate products on your landing page. So apart from that, you can also access the menus and page section here. Here you have the option to create additional pages. Although for a landing page, multiple pages are not typically required. So in our case, we don't need that now. However, if you want to organize different sections of a larger landing page, you can create subpages within your main homepage. This can be done by adding a new page and indenting it slightly to make it a subpage. However, for our purposes, we don't need subpages, so you can just simply ignore this feature. Additionally, you can customize the overall site design by clicking on Site Design. And here you can customize the overall look. This allows you to apply the personalized look to your entire website or page, ensuring a consistent visual experience for visitors. So Wix also offers the Wix App Market, which provides various integrations and extensions for your website. If you need functionalities like bookings, email marketing, or events, you can explore the Wix App Market to find and add necessary integrations to your landing page. So by utilizing these features, you can further enhance your landing page by customizing the design and integrating additional functionalities through the Wix App Market. You can also browse through the different categories on the left side of the screen to find the perfect tools and apps for your needs. Once you are ready, click on Publish and then View Site to see how your landing page looks. So in just a few minutes, you can create a simple, attractive landing page. Feel free to add more content and customize it further according to your preferences. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you to create your own landing page. To manage your landing page, go back to the My Site section and select your site. From there, you can access the dashboard, which provides information like email collection data if you are utilizing this feature. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.